The Hill's opinion contributor Albert George writes in a new op-ed, quote, "For more than a century, Gullah Geechee people have held fast to their land at the water's edge, on the sea islands of South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida, descendants of chattel slaves from West Africa. Generations of Gullah Geechee have not only survived but thrived here, nurturing a distinctive culture with deep ties to the African homeland." He continued, quote, "Today, the Gullah Geechee's hold on the land is loosening. Some threats have been brewing for decades, including the juggernaut of development and a system of property law that is cruelly stacked against them. Now, the rising seas and powerful storms of a warming planet pose an unprecedented threat. Unless FEMA changes its policies for providing disaster assistance, climate change may be what finally drives the Gullah Geechee from their home." George said, quote, "That would be a disastrous outcome for the land and the people of the Low Country, and for the nation as a whole. The Gullah Geechee are bound up with the history of this land, and they must help build its future."